Hey guys, so we are going to be having our fall pre-emerge go down this September. And the reason why we call it the fall pre-emerge is because that's when the winter weeds start germinating. So we put it down in September, which is ahead of when they germinate. And you may be thinking, well, with the drought and everything, there aren't any weeds growing. The actual problem is once we cool down and get some rain, the weeds are going to take off pretty quickly compared to your lawn. So they are going to get a foothold real quick this winter, and you won't be on top of them. And the best way is get the pre-emerge down this coming September, and that'll do the best on controlling it, because they are a lot quicker in growing than your grass is. So they're going to take over with the thin canopies from the drought. So it's going to, if we get some rain this fall and this winter, we're going to have probably quite a few weeds come through in the springtime, kind of like late winter, springtime, if you're not on any type of program, because they're going to be very dominant, and they're going to have a fun time coming through. But of course, if we get rain this fall and winter, we're just going to be happy about that. If y'all have any questions, just call the office and we will get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.